Hey YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. And today's video is all about prepping to put in the spring twist that I've decided to do, which is the mini twist. But I just wanted to come on first and let you guys know the process that I went through in order to deep condition, wash my hair, prep my hair. So I did go in with my Heritage shampoo first. It's just a restoring and moisturizing shampoo. I did 2 washes of that, and then after I rinsed that out, I did go in with my Aunt Jackie's In Control moisturizing and softening conditioner. This I use this because it's supposed to attack frizzing, so I went in with this and let it sit on my hair along with this African Pride strengthening mask with the rosemary. So this, I added this because, like I said previously in my video, my hair is starting to like break up at the roots, definitely along my sectioning parts. So I decided to go in and apply this strengthening mask along with the anti-frizz Aunt Jackie's In Control deep conditioner, and I applied them together and I put them on so that they could work together, and they sat on my hair. I had a good salad, took a few minutes and let it sit and then I rinsed it all out. Once I rinsed it out, I did go back in with my Aunt Jackie's Intense Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, and I applied this to each section. So right now, that is all that's in my hair is this now, the Aunt Jackie's Quench Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm just going to use this milk or lotion as my leave-in product to keep my hair moisturized underneath those twists. And then as the weeks go by, I'm probably just going to wash them, wet them, not take them down. If I need to redo a couple of them because they might be slipping or what have you, who knows what might happen, I'll go through and take care of what I need to take care of as far as maintenance. But I'm trying to cut off the manipulation of my hair so much. So that's why I've opted to do these spring twists. I don't want to lock my hair up, but I do want to put it away for a little while, and I feel like the spring twist is probably my best option. I'm not the best with braids as far as wearing them in my hair. I don't like the tension. I don't like the stress that it puts on my scalp. I don't like the length of it. Getting braids done, I just don't. I don't like all that hair down my back, the synthetic hair, rubbing my skin. I'd rather just not deal with it. So instead, I'm opting to do the mini twist. So that's just to preface what is going to be happening in the video to come. Okay, so I have gone through and completely blow dried my entire head. I did trim. I did cut off a good bit, simply because I just want to make sure that I'm not getting any snagging when I'm combing through my hair, and to cut off any splits that I might have in here and fairy knots and all those different things that could be causing extensive breakage. So the hair that I'm going to be using for this style is the Outre Expressions Spring Twist, and this is in the length 16-inch. Just so you guys have an idea of what I'm doing, and 2 packs. I have 2 packs of this. So if you guys seen my first mini twist video, when I do my mini twist, I typically like to use a little bit of the extension just to thicken up the actual appearance of my twist, because my hair is fine. I know it look like I have a lot of hair, but it's fine, y'all. It's real fine. So when my twists are twisted, they look kind of boneless. So the spring twist hair is actually going to add a little bit more volume and depth to my twist. So that's why I end up going in and using a little bit of this per twist, just to make it a little bit more full and juicy looking. All right, y'all, so it is about 10:13 to come on and show you guys my progress. I am about an hour in. I did start at 9:15 ish. I forgot to actually show the time that I started, but this is really what I'm doing. Just going in, taking a piece of the hair about this thick, so once I'm twisting it, it gets really thin. That much of the cream. And I'm going to say that I have not been looking at my parting or anything like that. I've literally just been parting straight across, and then I would pinch off a piece of hair and go from there with the sizing of the twist. I have also been going in and adding some mousse at the end of the hair, not per se at the end of mine, because my hair is pretty long in these twists. I want to say it probably stops about here throughout that twist. Yeah, so I just grab that, take that mousse and go down from there. Just at the ends of the hair, I put the mousse. I go through and cut the ragged ends off. Extremely lightweight. I don't even feel them on my head. I cannot feel them. They're so light. So this is really what I'm doing. I just wanted to show you guys my progress. I think I have about 3 or 4 rows. I might be on the 4th row now. I am going straight across, so I don't have that line down the middle of my head, because the whole point of me doing my hair this way is to get rid of those lines of demarcation that I've created from sectioning my hair off. So I'm trying to get rid of that. So I've just been parting straight across and working like that instead of 4 sections. Now I do have it split in the middle here because that's how I blow dried it, but I'm not gonna have any parts in the front either. As far as straight parts like this, I'm gonna try to close up the top so everything will be just a flip over. If I decide to wear it down, I won't have a definite part in the top of my head. Oh, and might I also add, I am still on my first bulk in the pack. In the first pack, I still have 2 other bulks in the first pack and another pack of hair. So that just goes to show you guys that this hair will go a long way if you use it the right way. You can get a long way with 1 pack of hair. So compare how long my natural hair is to this twist. Okay, so my hair would typically stop about this much into the twist, which is the reason why I end up getting the longer length. I think before I had the 12 inch, and that was definitely hitting in the same spot as my natural hair. These twists are so lightweight. I ain't did my edges and stuff yet, but you got the gist of the hairstyle of what we was trying to accomplish, and it has been accomplished. Y'all can see I don't have no set part, which I did not want, because like I've stated before, I wanted to get rid of that middle part and allow my hair some time to reconstruct itself, get itself together. I don't know technical terms of what I'm trying to accomplish, but my hair was breaking up the middle, so I definitely needed to get rid of doing the middle part. So I accomplished that. I did go a little bit smaller than what I was anticipating. I was not planning to do them this small, which is why it took so long, but I don't feel these twists on my head at all, besides what's touching my shoulders. I don't feel them. They are so lightweight, airy, breathable. They're not even weighed down by the products that I decided to use. This, I really do like this because it is giving me moisture without weighing my hair down. So my hair was able to just spring back up like nothing was on it. And then the mousse, I do not like this mousse. It is so wet. It's wet, and also when you pump it out, it's just runny. I don't know. And then it's also drying. Like, it feels dry on the hair at the ends. That's why I only put it to the ends of my hair, because I had this on top, and then whatever had to get touched at the tip got touched with it. But this is so drying on the hair, like to the touch when you're manipulating with it. I don't know, it's just dry. So I feel like no real added benefits to this mousse. But yeah, we done made it to the end of this video. Sorry if you see all the confusion here. Oh, and I did not even use a full pack of hair. I still have this left over from that first pack, which is about six bundles here, and a whole another second pack of hair left. So I did real good with hair management. And yeah, y'all. So we're gonna be working with these twists for the next couple weeks. I'll probably do a styling video if you guys want to see that. I'll probably do moisturizing and also probably a wash day with them, because I am going to want to wash them just to see how it responds and acts with actually washing them. So as I always say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.